Hello friends, welcome to Coding Horse YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain you a Unix program from TCS IRA exam. So in this program, we have to print student name and roll number whose scores are more than 90 in maths and more than 90 in science. And we also have to print total count of student details printed. So you can see that this is the input: student name, roll number, math and science. First column is student name, second column is roll number, third column is math and fourth column is science. And here we have the semicolon as field separator between this column, and we have to print output in this format. So let's write the program. So program will start from the awk command. So awk, then we have to use single quotes, and in the single quotes we have to use the begin command, and then we have to set the field separator. So fs equal to, and in the double quotes we have to tell that in the input which field separator we are getting. So we are getting this semicolon. I will write it here between the semicolon, and then I will use a count variable. So count equal to 0. So in the output we also need to print the total number of students whose details are printed. So I am using this count variable here, and after that I will use the braces, and in this braces I will use if statement. And in this if statement we have to find students whose score are more than 90 in math and more than 90 in science. So you can see that math score are in the third column. So I will write here $3 larger than 90, and then and statement. Then science score are in the fourth column. So we have to use here $4 larger than 90, and we have to use this braces here. And inside this if statement I will print the student name and roll number $1, and you can see that between the student name and roll number we have to use the symbol underscore. I will write underscore and then $2. So $1 is for student name and $2 is for roll number. And we also need to increment our count variable. So count plus equal to 1. And after printing the student name and roll number, we also need to print the total number of students. After this braces I will use a AND statement, and after that I will use braces, and in this braces I will write the print statement for printing this count variable. So print, first we have to print total, then the symbol and the count variable. After this if statement will print all the records, then we have to print this count variable. And after that here I am entering the input, but in the exam you do not have to take any input, it will be taken automatically. So now let's run the program. So here we are getting a error at line number 1. So between this field separator and the count variable we have to use semicolon. Now let's run the program again. So now you can see that this program is working fine and we are getting the same output. Thanks for watching.